Good day everyone! Mukbang tayo guys with Lola! Yay!
Wow, eggs with fish.
Yeah.
Yummy, yummy.
Para habang mangmangantay at coffee, ice coffee lang ako kasi mainit ang araw ngayon. Pampalamig ng ulo.
Cheers.
Yeah. Cheers din tayo guys.
Coffee time. Kahit mainit ang
I
panahon.
forgot to ask. Very sweet
Oh, yeah?
and no
Oh,
ang tamis pa.
dapat sinabi kong no sugar.
Yang matis
Or less sugar.
Malaglagad ko di uming kayo. Luto! Wala na akong utak na, sorry.
Dapat din, inarabit niya actually. Ginuyod na din pungan ko kayo. Baga ka. Kuna ni mami ko. Apa isang sangit mabisin. Ingka, Judith. Ingka, agluhan. Gayam ko dahil hindi ko kunakin baga ko. Ginuyod niya actually pungan ko. Ay, hindi ginawag ni mami ko. Apa yung sasangit kang mabisin? Ang agmay ayukat na actually sa amu na nga talaga di rason ginuyod na di pungan ko. Nanapulog yun.
Kino, pati na tudon tayo mga trabaho. Hindi na kabrong dapat. Thanks. Nakawaya ako. Oh my God. Nagbigat na talaga. Masikat
Pero hamat nga iso tinahirap, hindi kaya lang trabaho.
At bibinta untay nga ro tatang alugi. My God.
Ang dapat apan di sa rabat, nagyan di giant.
You know, we're talking about the past, guys. Because my lolo stayed with us when she was young.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then, ang ba katulong tayo din yung tayo?
Oh, ang dadadali. Ay, nabebo, nagbibisaya.
Marami kaming mga kasama sa bahay, puno, just for the business also, including na rin yung mga nanay na ay masasawa nila, mga nanay. Kaso nga lang, at dahil time na sabot kami at the day of the kakawawa to. Kasi, luto ka na! Yung mga ganun ba? It's really hard job for everyone kasi it's a big family. I think we were about six pa lang noon, wala pa si
Wala pa, wala.
We're six before. Really hard life. We need to cook for everyone, including lunch, breakfast, or yung mga That's why we don't know how to cook properly. Yung mga bangus nun, we just cut and cook. We don't even know how to clean kasi walang nagturo, guys.
Then kukunin yung mga yung mga nasa loob niya.
Yung kinakain pa yung nasa loob nun. Yeah!
Ginagawang pinapain.
Sinong gagawan mo?
Si Auntie Missing noon.
They really eat the intestine also before. But we don't kasi mapait yun. Yeah. Pero inisip ko, pati yung mga fish dito, so yung mga ear niya, ear lang ba yun? We don't eat that because you cannot eat that. But the thing is, we cook together with the fish. At imagine, we don't know how to cook. But we enjoying the food. Oh my God, kahit hindi namin alam kung malinis na dumi. Basta we're kids, yag-yag. Mga yag-yag. Oh my God. Buti na lang,
Pero at least, nag-enjoy naman.
But yeah, but enjoyable. Tapos we go sa mountain, we harvest some coffee. Oh my God, kukupitin pa namin yun. Ibibigay namin sa tita ko, sa tito kong tibo. And she's going to sell it to my mom.
Pati yung saging.
Yeah. So mommy means to say, mommy's buying her own coffee and bananas.
Ibigay sa sariling one.
Yeah. Kasi kinukupit namin, oh my God. Kinukupit namin, ang imot namin. Kaya it's fun.
Pati toothbrush nga noon, di ba?
Pati na toothbrush, wala kaming toothbrush na naman. Oh my God, yung mga anak ko nito, almost 1 week na ko yata isa-isa. Pag mag-hard niya, ayaw na lang gamitin. Noon, ay Diyos ko. Wala pa kaming toothbrush. We're using the stick.
Mama, yung cloves.
Yeah, the cloves, the skin of the cloves is like corn. There is the corn thingy, the atipagilo. Oh my God! Di ba ang kati? Yeah, I tried that. Oh my God. Ang hirap matala, pero it's so funny. Yeah. Kaya, it's really funny, fun, parang exciting. Parang ang sarap yung buhay noon. It's really good.
And no electricity, no?
Mm.
Yung panahon na yun.
No wifi. Alam niyo ang gasoline namin noon. I think, I don't know what year. Yung bote ng saling na may stick. May light siya doon pag may bisita lang
Oo, yung Wonderland yata.
Wonderland.
Oo.
And then yung
Tawag doon.
yung may cover ng ganyan and there's a lamp and bombahin mo. Boom. Yun din kung may bisita lang. Pero pag wala, yung they use the
Gas.
kerosene, the gas na ang tawag, kerosene. With,
Yung budo yung...
imbudo ba yun? Hindi, I don't
Hindi.
know.
Yung parang
Pagsilawan, guys.
gas na damit yun na ano.
Small cloth in the middle. Pero ang saya. Pero nakakatakot lang ngayon pag-isipin mo na baka mapuuran, baka make some fire. Kasi parang hindi na tayo sanay sa, we're not get used to have those na. Kaya kung minsan, if there's no electric in the Philippines, there's no electricity, they use candles, they keep shouting, be careful the curtains, guys! Be careful, you get fire! But actually, we get used to have that. Pero nakakatakot lang kasi yung mga bata ngayon, they don't know to care for it. But noon, Diyos ko, gaganon-ganon ka pa kasi walang electricity. I experienced that, guys. Experience nyo ba? But it's nice, right? Nakapakasaya nun, wala pang gossip. Kung may gossip noon, pabayaan lang nila. Ngayon, pag may konting chismis ka pa.
Oo, chismis.
Pag may asensado ka na, chichismis ka pa.
Hihilain ka pa baba.
Yeah, ang Pilipino is really yun ang masama. Crab mentality. Imbes na, ganda ng buhay nila. Alam mo, sabihin nila, baka lang ano yun? Selos lang yun na parang, anong tawag nun? Selos na inggit na hindi maintindihan. Guys, sana tanggalin na natin ang
Masamang
pag-uugali yun. We have to praise sana yung mga ibang.
Dapat
But you'll make that an inspiration, not just imon-imon, silos-silos dyan. Kasi, we all Filipino, we all going up there. Kaya tayo, be nice to human beings. Ay na, Diyos ko, wala na akong masabi, guys. How about you?
Dapat yun, yung pag ganun na
Look at the camera. Wala silang kausap. Diba ako,
na umaangat ang isang tao na nakikita, dapat yun ang parang tularan mo ba?
Need inspiration, hindi yung
Sisiraan ka na.
you're
Kaya
pulling down. That's not good.
naging ganito, maganda ang buhay na dahil ganyan. Ay naku, mga chismis.
Pero imagine that, nag-YouTube ako, kahit ang isang kamag-anak, wala man lang mag-follow sa akin. I can't imagine that. I know that. I can see people like that, but it's okay. I didn't want to force people to follow me or subscribe me. I'm just making fun, guys. Kung yayaman tayo, di swerte,
Thank you.
makakatulong. It's from up there. Pero kung wala, it's okay. It's just for fun, guys. To remove some,
Kahit nga mayaman pa naka mga anak na yun.
para naman hindi tayo mag-pressure ng mga nangsisira sa atin, yung nangiinggit sa atin. Cool lang tayo, guys. Diba? Let's eat.
Just fun.
We're having fun.
Isa lang ang buhay.
Kaya kain din kayo, guys. Walang makakalusot. You're all going there. Whether you're rich, whether you're the richest,
Babalik
Where
tayo
are the
lahat
beautiful?
sa lupa.
we're all going back down there or up there, it's fine. So, ito lang masasabi ko. Kain na tayo, guys. God bless everyone. Hope you enjoyed this video and
See you next time.
See you next time. I love you all. Love your parents. Love your darling. Love everyone. Be nice to your neighbors and be nice to all the human beings. Okay. I love you guys. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification below. Love you all. Bye.